Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 1. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have learned what comes after and what comes between. In this video we will learn what comes before and backward counting. Backward counting. What does backward counting mean? Backward counting means what comes before or what will come if we subtract 1 from the given number. Let's start. 20. What comes before 20? Do you have any idea? Before 20 it comes 19. Before 20 it comes 19. What will come before 19? We can say that what will come if we subtract 1 from 19? It will come 18. Before 19 it will come 18. And what is the previous number of 18? Its previous number is 17. Its previous number is 17. What will come before 17? Subtract 1 from 17. What will you get? You will get 16. If we subtract 1 from 17, we will get 16. What will come before 16? Before 16 it comes 15. Before 16 it comes 15. What will come if we subtract 1 from 15? If we subtract 1 from 15 it comes 14. What comes before 14? Think about it. Subtract 1 from 14. What will you get? Good. You will get 13. You will get 13. And before 13 it comes 12. What comes before 13? It comes 12. What is the previous number of 12? What comes before 12? It comes 11. It comes 11. What comes before 11? Think about it. Subtract 1 from 11. Very good. It comes 10. It comes 10. What comes before? What comes before 6? Subtract 1 from 6. What will you get? You will get 5. What comes before 6? It comes 5. 9. What comes before 9? Subtract 1 from 9. What will you get? Good. You will get 8. If we subtract 1 from 9, we will get 8. Here we have 1. Now what is the previous number of 1? Subtract 1 from 1. What will we get? We will get 0. If we subtract 1 from 1, we will get 0. Here we have 14. What comes before 14? Do you have any idea? Yes, students, subtract 1 from 14. What will you get? Very good. You will get 13. If we subtract 1 from 14, we will get 13. Now we have 18. Subtract 1 from 18. it comes 17. If we subtract 1 from 18, we will get 17. What we will get? 17. 11. What comes before 11? Very good. We get 10. If we subtract 1 from 11, we get 10. Backward counting. Students, we have discussed the counting from 20 to 10. Now you will tell me what comes before. 20. What comes before 20? Very good. Before 20 it comes 19. And what is the previous number of 19? Subtract 1 from 19. What will you get? You will get 18. What comes before 19? It comes 18. What comes before 18? Very good. Before 18 it comes 17. Before 18 it comes 17. What is the previous number of 17? Subtract 1 from 17. We will get 16. What we will get? 16. And before 16 it comes 15. Before 16 it comes 15. What is the previous number of 15? Before 15 it comes 14. Before 15 it comes 14. What comes before 14? Before 14 it comes, very good, it comes 13. Before 14 it comes 13. Now subtract 1 from 13, what will you get? We get 12. Now subtract 1 from 12 and tell me the answer. Very true. Before 12 it comes 11. Before 12 it comes 11. Here we have 10. Subtract 1 from 10. What will you get? It's 9. It's 9. And before 9 it comes, think about it, subtract 1 from 9. What will you get? Very good. 8. Before 9 it comes 8. Now subtract 1 from 8. Subtract 1 from 8. Very good. We have 7. Before 8 it comes 7. What comes before 7? It is true. It is 6. Before 7 it comes 6. What is the previous number of 6? Okay, subtract 1 from 6. What will you get? 5. Very good. We will get 5. And before 5 it comes 4. Before 5 it comes 4. Subtract 1 from 4. We have 3. What is the previous number of 4? It's 3. What comes before 3? It comes 2. Before 3 it comes 2. And before 2 it comes? Very good. Before 2 it comes 1. Before 2 it comes 1. In this video we have learnt what comes before and backward counting. In the next video we will discuss about the counting after 10. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.